Disney Visa Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it. Disney Magic does not have to cost full price. This card can quietly reduce the cost of your vacations if you know how to use it. You earn Disney Rewards dollars on everyday spending. These can be used for park tickets, hotels, dining, and merchandise. Over time, families can save hundreds. The card also gives special shopping discounts and exclusive character experiences. If you go to Disney often, this card is worth it. If not, leave it. Verdict: worth it for Disney fans.